Using Excel is an essential skill for the office. Let's start with the basic interface and learn to use Excel. In this course, I will introduce Sheet and Book in Excel. Now enter the New tab page. Click Spreadsheet and select Blank Project to create a new document. Then we will enter the main interface of Excel. The column at the top is the menu bar. Click here to select the corresponding tool. You can use the tool in the sheet. In the following courses, we will explain in detail the use of various tools. Firstly, let's see the basic elements of Excel. Sheet and Book. What are they? A book is a booklet and a sheet is a page in this booklet. Sheet 1 is a sheet. Click the plus sign here. We can create a new sheet. These two sheets form a book. Click Menu to choose to create, open, and save the book. The book is convenient for us to make multiple forms in one file. Press and drag the sheet to rearrange the sheet order, and double-click to change the sheet name. Click the right button to display the detailed menu. You can delete and hide the sheet here.